Morning traders, today is March 1st, about 15 minutes before opening bell, and last night we had a big gap up, had major bearish divergence. This is what I put it out on Twitter first thing when I woke up this morning, and that divergence has already played out. Okay, it's already played out. You're going to see that on the next slide. But here's my thoughts on what happened. Why did we gap up? Why was last night's gap up? Because last night we were going down, and all of a sudden we gap up because they knew they were going to take it up overnight because they knew they were going to rip it down in the morning, right? Because it doesn't make sense. They were already going down last night. You'll see that in the next slide. They were already going down. Why would you keep going down and then go down some more on this morning's news, right? That's just too much. That's too much. So you got to gap up, which show some bearish divergence on the MACD, and then take it back down so that you're basically near the spot right here where you left off last night. See that? See how the game is played? That's how it's played, guys. That's exactly how it's played. Now, check this out. Okay. We are now at the 1 week SMA 20. We haven't seen that in a long time. Coming up on maybe 3 months now. I'd have to go back and look. It was early January. Okay? It's been that long. Now, remember, the 1 week SMA 20, this gray line right here, has denied SPY in all of 2022. Okay? Combine that with the weekly EMA 50 right up here, all the way up here. Both of these together have denied SPY in all of 2022. Denied the markets. I suspect we're going to go down there and fill this gap. See, this gap, this low right here doesn't quite close the gap. You're like 30 to 50 cents off. I can't remember. Something like that. I think it's going to come down and fill it, and I think it's going to come right on down and test this weekly SMA 20. Right? It's a back test. Test it. Are you going to hold it or not? Okay? Might even actually go down beneath underneath of it. Take it on down beneath this blue, the blue channel. Call it 394.30 something like that. Whatever, right there. Okay? I think he's going to come on down here and test that too. Right? So, that's where we're at. Just be cautious. Make sure you you understand. We are near support now. This is not the time to be getting short, unless you see a clear. You went down, back test up, and then you get rejected. Then you go short. Okay, you don't just go short just because you break a level. It's going to back test back. Okay, so if it doesn't back test back, that means its real target is somewhere else. It's nearby. It's close. So that's all the more reason you shouldn't be shorting it. Okay? Like this yesterday. So it came down. What level is it? Oh, this is the channel. This is the black channel. This is yesterday. Came down. Back tested back up. And then it got rejected. This is when you short. Not when it's coming down. And see, because it's going to back test on you. This is when you short right here. Okay? All right. So that's all I've got. Talk to you on Twitter or on the market recap.